You're welcome, Mark. Now let's look at the second requirement of this question, which asks us to prepare a revaluation account and a goodwill account. Firstly, let's look at the revaluation account. Okay. For this revaluation account, the surplus will be recorded on the credit side of the account, while the deficit will be posted on the debit side of the account. Any profit on revaluation will be shared among the old partners in their profit sharing ratio, because the profit on revaluation belongs to the partners. Okay, firstly is the building. To us, a revaluation surplus of 4,000, so we will credit it to the revaluation account. So we have building and it's 4,000. Okay. Next is the fittings. That was a deficit of 2,000. So we debit the revaluation account. We have fittings and it's 2,000. The next is inventory. And it has a revaluation deficit of 500. So we debit the revaluation account. We have inventory and it's 500. The next is the trade receivable. Okay, the trade receivables was a deficit with 200. So we debit the revaluation account with 200. Okay, that is all. So let's balance this account. The total on the credit is 4,000, while the total on the debit is 2,700. So the surplus side is higher than the deficit side by 1,300. This 1,300 is a profit on revaluation that will be shared among the old partners. The new partner will not have a share because he is just coming in and he has nothing to do with the revaluation surplus. So let's share the profit on revaluation. This profit on revaluation will be shared based on their profit sharing ratio. So A will have 3/5 because it's getting 3/5 multiplied by 1,300. Okay, and that will be 780. While C will have 2/5 multiplied by 1,300. Okay, and that's 520. Okay, so we have shared the profit on revaluation of 1,300. Okay, so the debit side will also total 4,000. And this is how to prepare a revaluation account under partnership. The main aim is just to ascertain the profit on revaluation, which will be shared among the old partners in their profit sharing ratio, which will be given to you in the question. In the next video, we will continue with the requirement of this question that asks us for a goodwill account. See you in the next video.